If you're managing your money on your own and your paycheck hits your account, but you still feel unsure what you're actually supposed to do with it, I want to help you today. Because the stress you feel probably isn't about how much money you make. It's about not having a clear plan for your paycheck. Your paycheck comes in, bills get paid, life happens, and before you know it, that money is gone. And you're left wondering, where did it all go? If that sounds familiar, please stay with me, because today I'm going to show you a simple way to break down your paycheck so your money finally feels organized. Hi, my name is Teresa, but most people call me Reese. I'm a certified financial coach, a certified YNAB coach, Why You Need a Budget, and I'm also financial motivational speaker. And what I love doing most is helping women bring clarity and organization to their financial lives. If you're managing money on your own, this conversation is especially important for you, because when you're single, every single financial decision rests on your shoulders. You're the one paying the bills. You're the one making the decisions. You're the one responsible for your financial future. And when your paycheck doesn't have structure, let me tell you, everything else can start to feel just a little chaotic. But once your paycheck has a clear plan, something powerful happens. Your finances begin to feel calm instead of confusing. Most people were never taught how to manage a paycheck. So money comes in and it simply folds through your life. Well, through your fingers, actually. The bills get paid, groceries get bought, gas goes in the car, you grab lunch here and there, you order something online, and none of these things seems dramatic. But when your paycheck doesn't have direction, money disappears quietly. That's why organizing your paycheck is one of the most powerful financial habits you can and you must build. I want you to think about your paycheck in a different way. Every dollar that comes into your life should have an assignment. Your paycheck really has 4 jobs: living expenses, lifestyle spending, financial protection, and future building. So now let's walk through these together so you can begin organizing your money with confidence. The first assignment for your paycheck is covering your living expenses. These are the things that keep your life running. Things like your housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, your phone bill. These expenses support your everyday life. But here's something important. You should know exactly how much of your money is going toward these costs. Because when living expenses grows too large, everything else becomes difficult. Saving becomes harder, investing becomes harder, even enjoying your life becomes harder. So the first step in organizing your paycheck is simply understand what it takes to run your life each month. The second assignment for your paycheck is lifestyle spending. This is the money you use to enjoy life. Dining out, shopping, entertainment, travel, hobbies, fun experiences, and enjoying your life, it matters. But lifestyle spending needs boundaries, because without boundaries, lifestyle spending quietly grows. You eat out just a little more often. Those subscriptions add up. Shopping becomes a habit. And over time, this category begins competing with your future. Let me say this again. This category, lifestyle spending, begins competing with your future life. That's why it's so important to decide ahead of time how much you feel comfortable spending in this area. When you do that, you remove the guilt, the shame, and the confusion. You're spending your money with intention. So the third assignment for your paycheck is financial protection. This is where you begin protecting yourself from life's surprises, and they will come. Your car will eventually need a repair. Something in your home will break. A medical bill may or may not appear. And without financial protection, those moments create panic. But when you build an emergency fund, let me tell you, something changes. Unexpected expenses become manageable instead of overwhelming. Your emergency fund becomes your financial safety net. And that safety net It protects your peace. I want to pause here for just a moment, because if you're listening right now and money feels heavy, you are not alone. So many women and couples tell me we're paying the bills, but we're still living paycheck to paycheck. We're carrying debt and we don't know which move to make first. If this describes you and you don't need a long-term program or a 3-month commitment, my Clarity Consultation program is designed just for you. This is a focused conversation where we look at your finances, identify what's keeping you stuck, and you walk away with clear, practical action steps you can take right away without it being time-consuming or so overwhelming. If you're ready to stop guessing and start making progress, click the link in the description to learn more. Now let's get back to it. The 4th assignment for your paycheck is future building. This is where you begin creating long-term financial security. This includes things like retirement contributions and long-term savings. Building wealth, for us, rarely happens overnight. It happens through consistent decisions that you make month after month. Every single time you send money toward your future, you're building options for your life, for yourself later. Options to retire, options to travel, options to live without financial pressure. Your future self will be incredibly grateful for the decisions that you make today. Now let's talk about something that is also very important. Sometimes the reason your paycheck feels scattered is because of the small spending habits that you've been doing so long that you don't even notice. Maybe you grab lunch out several times a week. Maybe subscriptions have slowly added up. Maybe convenient spending has become a routine of yours. None of these things seem dramatic, but let me tell you, when they happen repeatedly, they quietly drain your paycheck and your bank account. But when you start organizing your money, those leaks become visible. Not so you feel guilty, not so you feel shame, but you can decide what actually matters most. Once you see where your money is going, you can begin adjusting it. You may decide to send more money towards your savings. You may want to increase your retirement contributions. You may want to build your emergency fund just a little bit faster. These adjustments don't have to be dramatic. Small changes over time create powerful results, and that's how your financial confidence begins to grow. Now, here is something that I strongly recommend that you try. When your next paycheck arrives, just take 15 lifestyle spending for heading. Okay, living expenses, financial protection, future building. Now, once you've written those 4 things down, now divide your paycheck across those 4 categories. You don't need perfection here. You just need direction. Because once your paycheck has direction, your money, your financial life becomes much easier to manage. So before we wrap up, if you're someone who wants to get organized financially this year, go ahead and subscribe right now, please. Each week, I share practical guidance that helps you take control of your money and build financial security just one step at a time. So if your paycheck has been feeling just a little chaotic and you've been wondering where your money is actually going, please hear this. There is absolutely nothing wrong with you. In most cases, making more money is not needed to fix this. You simply need a clear plan for the money that you already earn. Once your paycheck has structure, every single thing begins to feel different. Your bills are covered, your spending has boundaries, your emergency fund begins to grow, and your future finally starts moving forward. That kind of clarity brings real peace. And if you like personalized guidance with your finances, you can book a financial clarity session with me. And during that session, we'll look at your numbers together and create a clear plan for your money. You'll find the link to book your session in the description below. And before you go, I'd love to hear from you. When your paycheck arrives, what is the hardest part about managing it? Is it organizing it? Is it tracking your spending? Or is it maybe saving consistently? I'm asking you to leave your comments in the comment box. Just leave your answer. Just leave it in the comments for me. Your answer may help another woman realize she's not alone in this journey. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you have to, go back and listen to it again. Write down those 4 steps. Write down those 4 organization things that I gave you to organize your finances. And I'm telling you, your money will start to feel better. you'll start to feel better. And I want to say thank you so much for watching. And again, if you need help with organizing your finances, please go into the description and book a Zoom call with me for your financial clarity session. Again, I hope that this comment and that a comment will bless you. I hope that this video will be a blessing to your life. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.